Hello friends, today we are going to study GOC, that is General Organic Chemistry. In this, we are going to study what is alkane. What do you mean by alkane? Alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons. What is the formula of alkanes? Alkanes are CnH2n plus 2. What are alkane? CnH2n plus 2. And what they are also known as? Alkanes are known as paraffins. Alkanes are also known as paraffins. And the question arises, why they are called paraffins? Because of they are known as paraffins because of they have less reactivity. They have less reactivity. Paraffins ड्यू टू लेस रिएक्टिविटी के कारण इन्हें हम पैराफिन्स भी बोलते हैं. द नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज एल्कीन. एल्कीन आर CnH2n. They are known as olefins. What are alkene known as? Alkenes are known as olefins. Olefins. Why they are known as olefins? Because they form oily bonds with halogens. Because they form oily bonds, they form oily liquid with halogens. That's why they are known as olefins, because they form oily liquid with halogens. They form oily liquid with halogens. What are alkynes? Alkynes are CnHn. What are alkynes? Alkyne are CnHn. And they are known as, what they are known as? They are known as acetylene. Alkynes are known as acetylene. Okay, let's discuss about degree of unsaturation. We are going to find degree of unsaturation or double bond equivalent. Degree of unsaturation also known as double bond equivalent. From there, maximum number of questions to be asked. What is DU? Degree of unsaturation and double bond equivalent. Suppose that this is, let us take an example of C3H8. C3H8. How many carbons are there? There are 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3. H3, H3 and H2. That is 8. C3H8. This is the structure of C3H. This is a chain structure. Then we have to convert it into this form, like this. That is CH2, CH2, CH2. How many carbons are there in this structure? C6H6. Then we have to find what is the degree of unsaturation. What is the degree of unsaturation? How to find degree of unsaturation? Suppose 3. Sorry, this is 3. 3 carbons, 3 carbons. Then the formula cycloalkene से बन रहा है alkane. Cycloalkene से बन रहा है alkane, means there are 3 carbons. 3 carbons. Then okay. Okay, they are going to find degree of unsaturation. Degree of unsaturation is also known as double bond equivalent. What is also known degree of unsaturation? Also known as double bond equivalent. What is degree of unsaturation? So we are going to find what is degree of unsaturation. Suppose let's take this example, C3H8. Okay, chain structure of C3H8 is CH3, CH3 and CH2, and then it will convert it into this form. Okay, then C3H8, this is a cyclic structure of C3H8, and then C3H6. Then how to find degree of unsaturation? Suppose that there are three carbon. What is the formula of this is a what is the formula of alkane? Formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, then 3 to the 6 plus 2, that is C3H2 3 plus 2. CnH2n, n कितना 3, CnH2n plus 2, that is equal to C3H8. Okay, and the difference of H2, how many H, what is the difference of H? There is a difference of 2H. When we go from this side to this side, there is a difference of 2H. Means if we add plus 2H in this, then this will convert into this. When we going from this side to this side, minus 2H, then we get this. Then this is known as degree of unsaturation. What is the degree of unsaturation for this compound is? That is 1 degree of unsaturation. 2H निकलेंगे जब 1 degree of unsaturation बनेगा. That is H2. 1 H2 is removed out. Okay, 1 H2 is removed out. So we have to take another example and find degree of unsaturation without drawing structure by using a formula. So what is the formula for degree of unsaturation? So let us see. If there is a 1 du, 2 du, 3 du, कब हो सकते हैं 1 du में, या फिर तो एक डबल बॉन्ड हो. 1 du मतलब एक डबल बॉन्ड, एक डबल बॉन्ड, या एक रिंग हो, तो क्या होगा डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना हो जाएगा 1, दैट इज 1. फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज C bond C. This, what is the degree of unsaturation for this compound when this is H2, H and H3? Then degree of unsaturation is 1. Du is equal to 1 because there is single double bond. Okay, when Du is 2, there is a condition of 2 double bond or 2 ring or 1 ring plus 1 double bond. Okay, then what is when Du is 3? Du 3 कब होगा? या फिर तो 3 डबल बॉन्ड हो, या फिर 3 रिंग हो, या फिर 3 रिंग या 3 डबल बॉन्ड, या फिर 2 रिंग और 2 रिंग और एक डबल बॉन्ड, या फिर एक रिंग और 2 डबल बॉन्ड, एक रिंग और 2 डबल बॉन्ड, तो डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन 3 होगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी ऑल दीज विद द हेल्प ऑफ these examples, and one of the most important formula you have to learn for degree of unsaturation is equal to C plus 1, that is C plus 1 minus H by 2. This is the carbon, this is number of carbons, कितना है here, this is what number of carbons. C plus 1, C plus 1 minus H by 2. Here C is the number of carbons. For example, in this compound there are 3 carbons, and H is the number of hydrogen. For example, in this compound there are 8 hydrogens. So okay, you have to learn this formula. And if suppose that compound is not of this type, there is a halogen, there is also a halogen in compound, like something like this example. There are 2 halogens. Then we have to consider halogen as equal to plus 1H. एक halogen को हम एक hydrogen के बराबर मानेंगे. Okay, one halogen is equal to 1H. And if the compound having nitrogen, organic compound having nitrogen, then we consider is at plus 1H, sorry, minus 1H. If there is a nitrogen, then we consider it minus 1H. Okay. If there is a oxygen and sulfur, then we consider it as no change. Okay. So we are going to solve all these examples. So with for better understanding. Okay. Let us take first example and solving with the help of a formula. That is, degree of unsaturation is equal to C plus 1 minus H by 2. This is the formula why all these examples can be solved. Okay. First of all, C3H8. How to calculate degree? Number of carbons is 3. Number of carbons is 3 plus 1 minus H 8 by 2. What is the degree of unsaturation? It is 4 minus 4. Degree of unsaturation is 0. Something is wrong. You are not going to calculate like this manner. So we are going to calculate from, इसका हमने calculate कर लिया था पहले ही, इससे बात करेंगे. C4H8 degree of unsaturation, number of carbon 4 plus 1 minus 8 by 2, number of hydrogen is 8 by 2, that is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Degree of unsaturation is 1. इस कंपाउंड के अंदर डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना है? डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना है? 1. Then let us take another example, that is C4H4VrCl. C4H4VrCl. Then degree of unsaturation for this compound is, that is 4 plus 1 minus number of hydrogen 4. Halogen आ गया. Halogen को कितना कंसीडर करेंगे? Halogen is equal to 1x and again halogen 1x. That is 4, 5, 6. 6 by 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 is that 2. Degree of unsaturation आ गया 2. The next C3H6O. What is the degree of unsaturation for this compound? Degree of unsaturation for this compound is, that is 3 plus 1 minus 6. Then oxygen. What about oxygen? Oxygen मैंने बोला था ना, ऑक्सीजन और सल्फर के लिए no change, means 6 by 2 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Then C4H10O. Then what about this? C4H10O. 4 plus 1 minus 10 by 2. Degree of 5 minus 5 is 0. Degree of unsaturation is 0. Degree of unsaturation is 0. Okay. C2H3N. What about nitrogen? Nitrogen के लिए हमने बोला था कि जब नाइट्रोजन को -1H के इक्विवेलेंट कंसीडर करेंगे, मतलब 3H थे, एक माइनस हो गया, 2H बचेंगे, -2/2, that is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Degree of unsaturation is 2. Okay. Let us take another example, C6H6. इन दोनों में बताइए, ये भी बेंजीन है, ये भी बेंजीन है, इसमें डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना होगा और इसमें डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना होगा. अब हम एक और नई चीज से सिखाते हैं आपको, डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ C6H6. ओके, ये किस एल्केन से बना होगा? बेंजीन है, किस एल्केन से बना होगा बताओ? C6 किस एल्केन से बना होगा? C6 CnH2n plus 2 C6 6 to 12 plus 2 14 H14 डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना हो जाएगा? डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन इज इक्वल टू 6 6 दूनी 12 14 मतलब व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन हाइड्रोजन्स? 8 देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ 8 hydrogens 8H that is equivalent to 4H2. Okay, then the degree of unsaturation is 4. Then let us consider this example. Benzene, what is the degree of unsaturation? Okay, see 1 2 3 degree of unsaturation is 3 हो गया ना, plus 1 this is ring. डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन इज ऑल्सो ड्यू टू रिंग. मैंने क्या बोला था? रिंग के कारण भी हो सकती है डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन और डबल बॉन्ड के कारण भी हो सकती है. 1 2 3 4 देयर इज अ डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन इज 4. इज देयर एनी चेंज इन दीज टू? देयर इज नो चेंज. ओके, लेट अस टेक दिस. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ नैप्थलीन, दिस इज अ एंथ्रासीन. ओके, लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एंथ्रासीन. Naphthalene. First of all, taking an example of naphthalene. Naphthalene is this. What about degree of unsaturation in this compound? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 degree of unsaturation is 7. हम इसे एक और तरीके से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स एंड हाइड्रोजन्स. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 C10 H भी कितना होगा? 10 C10 H10. ओके, किस एल्केन से बना होगा ये? लो अभी बताते हैं किस एल्केन से बना है. C10 प्लस 20 प्लस 2 22 that is 22 H22. ओके, then degree of unsaturation is difference of 12. degree of unsaturation is 6 half. Du बराबर 6. For this, okay, you have to also find for these and all examples, but we are going in a simple way. So let us see. Degree of unsaturation. Degree of unsaturation 1 2 3 डबल बॉन्ड काउंट कर लो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Du बराबर है 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 degree of unsaturation for this. And you have to calculate for this. What is the degree of unsaturation is 1. Degree of unsaturation is 1. What is for this? 1 ring 2 ring. Degree of unsaturation is 2. For this, what is the degree of unsaturation? 1. Du is equal to 2. For this compound, what is degree of unsaturation? Degree 1 2. Degree of unsaturation is 2. Okay. Then you have to solve this example. What is the degree of unsaturation for this compound? Okay. Degree of unsaturation for this compound. Let us see. If you count degree of unsaturation, you have to count number of carbons for this compound. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. C8. Okay, then you have to count the number of hydrogens. How many hydrogens are there? 1H 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 1H. All the valencies of carbon is satisfied. Okay, all the valencies of carbons are satisfied with the hydrogen that is 4. 1 2 3 4 valency of carbon is satisfied. Then count the number of hydrogens. Again 8 H8. Then what is the degree of unsaturation for this compound? ये किससे बना होगा? C8. एल्केन क्या होगा इसका? C8 8 दूनी 16 17 18 C18 H18. C8H18. Then degree of unsaturation is, what is the difference between hydrogens? There is a difference of 10. Then degree of unsaturation is half. Then degree of unsaturation is half. That is 5. Okay. So your degree of unsaturation is completed. Then we are going to discuss other types of example. Okay. So let us take another example. C3H4 हो चुका है अपना. C3H4 कैलकुलेट कर लिया. अब दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं अपन C4H8. अब अपने को बताना है, क्वेश्चन इससे नहीं आता है, बेसिकली क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा इससे रिलेटेड. देखिए कैसे. For this compound, you have to calculate the number of isomers. For this compound, you have to calculate the number of isomers. अभी हमने इस कंपाउंड का डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन फाइंड किया था. डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना आया था इसका? डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन आया था 4 + 1 5 - 4 1. डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन आया 1. तो हमें इसके आइसोमर्स बताने हैं, कितने आइसोमर होंगे. सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट नाउ हाउ मेनी आइसोमर्स आर देयर फॉर C4H8. सो लेट अस सी. C4H8 1 2 3 4 H2 double bond H2 H3. This is a one isomer. Then another one. Next time I am not taking H, so you can balance yourself. Okay. जैसा कि आपने अभी डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन निकालना सीख लिया है, तो अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन के थ्रू एप्लीकेशंस के. डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन का एप्लीकेशन कहाँ पर है? जैसे कि हम नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स कैलकुलेट करते हैं, तो उस टाइम पर हमें डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जिससे हम पता लगा सकें कितनी रिंग है इसके अंदर, कितने डबल बॉन्ड हैं. तो उसी प्रकार हम आगे प्रोसीड करते हैं. सो टेकिंग विद द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस वन C4H8. ओके. C4H8 नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स कितने होंगे? ऑफ आइसोमर्स, नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स कैलकुलेट करना है अपने को. इसका C4H8 का नंबर ऑफ आइसोमर्स कितने होंगे? कैलकुलेट करो एक बार. देखिए मैं बताता हूँ आपको. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. There are 3 isomers. डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन कितना था इसका? हमने फाइंड किया था 1. तो 1 डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन में क्या क्या था बताया था मैंने. 1 डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन इज इक्वल टू 1 रिंग या फिर 1 पाई, दैट इज 1 डबल बॉन्ड. ओके. सो दिस इज अ कंडीशन ऑफ 1 डबल बॉन्ड. This is a condition of 1 double bond. Then we are going to find the ring isomers कितने होंगे इसके? 3 isomers for double bond. 3 isomers for double bond. And number of isomers for ring 1. And another is this. CH2, and what is this? 1 2 3 CH. Calculate number of H. Is there any problem? Count down the number of hydrogens. That is 2 2 4 5 or 3. Sorry. 8. CH2, 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 CH2. CH2. How many carbons? 4 and 8. Number of isomers. There are 5 isomers. there are 5 isomers for this compound, that is C4H8. The next is C4H6. Previously we are calculating degree of unsaturation. What is the degree of unsaturation for this compound? 5 and 5 minus 3. Degree of unsaturation is 2 for this compound. Degree of unsaturation is 2. Then we have to calculate the number of isomers. Then we have to calculate the number of isomers. So calculate number of isomers. Degree of unsaturation 2, C4H6. मतलब डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन 2 है, 2 पाई हो सकते हैं, 2 पाई बॉन्ड हो सकते हैं, या फिर 2 रिंग हो सकती हैं, या फिर एक रिंग एक पाई हो सकता है। ये बताया था हमने। डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन 2, 2 रिंग हो सकती हैं, 2 पाई हो सकती हैं, या फिर एक रिंग और एक पाई हो सकता है। तो देखते हैं हम आगे। C4H6, सबसे पहले हम कंडीशन लेते हैं एक पाई वाली और एक रिंग, 2 पाई कंडीशन लेते हैं। 1 2 3 4, 1 पाई 2 पाई, 1 2 3 4 4, 1 pi 2 pi. There are 2 isomers. These are alkynes. These are alkynes. Alkynes. और कोई अल्काइन बना सकते हो क्या इसके साथ? इसके साथ कोई और अल्काइन बना के दिखाओगे क्या? बना सकते हो? नहीं बनेगा। 2 पाई, 2 पाई है, 1 2, अगेन 2 पाई, 2 3 4, एक पाई यहाँ, एक पाई यहाँ। एनी डाउट? नो। ओके, देन अदर 1 2 3 4, एक यहाँ एक यहाँ, ये 2 इसके बनेंगे। ठीक है, इसके अलावा और भी बना सकते हो क्या? 1 2 3 4, यहाँ लगाओगे, यहाँ लगाओगे, कार्बन की बैलेंस 5 हो जाएगी, इसलिए ये नहीं बनेगा। ओके, 2 एल्काइंस, एल्कीन्स इसके हो गए। तो एल्कीन्स, हाउ मेनी एल्कीन्स आर देयर? ओके, देयर आर 2 एल्कीन्स। बोले तो इनको अपन एल्काडाइइन्स बोलते हैं। जैसे ये डबल बॉन्ड हुए, ये कंजुगेटेड एल्कीन है, ये एल्काडाइइन्स भी बोलते हैं। अगर सपोज डेट इतना ही होता तो इसको अपन अलीन्स बोलते। एल्काडाइइन, एल्काडाइन, एल्काइन, एल्काडाइन। नेक्स्ट साइक्लिक, 2 पाई सिस्टम हो गया। 1 रिंग प्लस 1 पाई सिस्टम के बारे में बात कर रहे थे अपन। 1 रिंग 1 पाई, अनदर एग्जांपल 1 रिंग 1 पाई, अनदर एग्जांपल 1 रिंग 1 पाई, अनदर एग्जांपल 1 रिंग 1 पाई। ओके, 1 रिंग 1 पाई, 4 इसके हुए, 4 इसके हुए। 2 रिंग सिस्टम, 2 रिंग सिस्टम आता बाइसाइक्लो कंपाउंड्स। ओके, बाइसाइक्लो कंपाउंड, 2 रिंग in this type. Okay, degree of unsaturation for this is 2, degree of unsaturation for this is also 2. Then second one of the example, you have to find the number of degree of unsaturation in this compound. You have to find the number of degree of unsaturation in this compound. डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन बताना है इसके अंदर। ये यहाँ पर सभी कार्बन हैं ये। ओके, कॉर्नर्स, एट द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द क्यूब देयर आर कार्बन्स। ओके, so you have to calculate the degree of unsaturation for this compound. Sometimes this can also be asked in the form of you have to calculate the double bond equivalent. You have to calculate the double bond equivalent, means the examiner is asking you that you have to calculate the degree of unsaturation. Okay, so that's all. This is all about GOC, and in next lecture we are discussing about nomenclature, okay, and also discussing this question. So you have to solve this question in next lecture.